How are you?
Good, you?
Before we're real quick going to go over the basics for anyone.
Yes, I'm about to start. Wish me luck. Mom, this is for you. Good morning, my lovely. So today just got an acai smoothie here at Borough Market, which is probably my favorite food market in London. They have all sorts of stands, anything from healthy food to get on the go, or if you want to buy stuff to make at home as well. They have the freshest vegetables. It's insane, everything's so good. I could literally spend all day here just eating. It's that good. The prices are better than what you would get in like a specialized supermarket. They have a lot of gourmet things as well, so it's really nice. Alex Monroe jewelry class, which I'm really excited about. Alex Monroe is probably my favorite jeweler, and it's very meaningful to me to work with them now. It's an absolute dream come true. I'm gonna make a necklace with him today. I mean, how sick is that? And the great thing about this necklace is that all the necklaces sold, they give a percentage to the Great Orchmond Hospital to help the children. So it's a beautiful cause, and yeah, I'm just really excited.
So it's we're cutting out, but we call it piercing out. So it's using the jeweler's saw and cutting out shapes, and then we're going to cut out with it's because the work we were doing for Great Ormond Street, which we're doing the floral alphabet for Great Ormond Street, and we're giving the process that towards the hospital. So you're going to make your own floral alphabet necklace.
So it's not like, you know, when you cut wood, you kind of do it like that. In the case of piercing, you go up and down. So
I'm about to start. Wish me luck.
If you rested the blade up against the peg, and the first couple are going to be upward stroke first.
Okay.
And that kind of all your strength is really in that, and with your saw blade you're just kind of moving. Try and use the whole length of the saw. The inside like that. Then I'll turn it a little bit and do the next bit.
It's actually very relaxing. I'm really enjoying it because I'm just concentrated on making the flower. So that makes me just think about this and nothing else. It's kind of like meditation, I suppose. And I just
make sure, it doesn't have to be straight or anything, but just make sure that the whole of your letter is fitting on the silver, and you're not going to end up with some flat edge on the edge of your M.
Now we're getting into the real deal, real piece, and I'm going to make a beautiful floral alphabet necklace with the letter X for my...
We're going to stick this on. There are loads of different kinds of solder, but for something like this solder, which comes in a syringe and is paste, is perfect. So you literally get a bit of that on, kind of coat the whole letter in the solder. So I'm going to need more heat than the little teensy weensy leaves or the jump ring.
And next step, we file the piece.
Anybody else got glue on their flowers?
And next step, I'm just gonna attach all these.
Are we doing number 2?
My letter.
And the hard part is...
Okay, so now I'm injecting both. Okay, now I'm putting the paste, but it's actually not coming out. Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, so I put the paste. And then that's what's gonna serve as the glue.
It's down and sticks into your letter.
There we go. So if I knew how to turn that machine on, we're going to put yours in that one down there, I think.
Oh, we're ready to leave now, but we made our necklaces. So pretty. I can't wait to show you guys. Theirs is amazing because the letter V is like,
The letter V looks amazing.
looks so good. So yeah, it was really fun, really beautiful, really nice activity
Really
to
cute.
do.
An amazing
right?
experience.
Yeah, an amazing experience. Oop, let me see. There I am. Where am I? Okay guys, I have not stopped today. Oh my god, but I am here now and I am at the Ultraman Brewery with Landrover and I am about to meet Anthony Joshua and do a workout session with him. How crazy is that? And then we're also gonna meet Jamie Oliver and cook a little bit, so let's do it. Oh my god, and this is where the session is gonna take place. And I've never really worked out boxing, so I'm probably gonna suck at it. Let's see. Okay guys, so we're ready. I am ready to box and kick some. How are you?
Good, you?
Good.
Good.
Ready to box. I think his arm is as big as my face.
Before we're real quick going to go over the basics for anyone who hasn't been to Co-op.
So we just came out of the class. It was super fun. It was only like a 25-minute class really because it was like a taste of boxing, but I loved it. I really want to take it. I think I'd be good at it. Like I really enjoyed it as a sport. Anthony's amazing, obviously. He's super nice and super sweet, but we didn't really get a chance to take a picture, sadly. It was super rushed and like it's difficult with so many people, but hopefully another time I'll be able to have a picture with him. And now I'm gonna go and cook with Jamie Oliver.
As a young boy, I used to come up the street all the time. In the Naked Chef days, on my scooter, we'd be rattling around. I had one of these, and I went and got all the stuff. And the buns are from the local bagel shops. We got all the fruit and veg locally. Long strokes, like Anthony Joshua, quite big hands. So these are a little bit. I said, "What do you think of my hands?" He goes, "Oh, they're all right." You know, about 150 grams of paneer. So the yogurt done. You can see the colours in there. Go on, get in there, big boy. Have a little look. Nice colour. I wanted to have fun with it. I wanted to have fun. Very important. So I went to one of my dear friends, Mr. Poppadom, and then I was thinking, because this is what you're doing in this demonstration, is you're learning a lot about me. You might not like it, by the way, but I was thinking about Poppadoms, and then I was thinking about my buns, and then for some reason I thought of a house in the 60s. Do you remember the pebble dashed houses? They used to put the you probably think I'm mad now, because but then I was thinking how they used to throw stones at the houses and it would stick. If you don't get me, it's okay, but you know, I am essentially the world's best-selling cookery author, so I don't know. You tell me whether I deserve it or not. Right, and again, these are made out of lentils. And you don't have to have these fried either, you can pop these in the microwaves, and like our house from the 1960s, we're going to pebble dash it. A bit of coriander, because I'm just trying to remind you of what's in the yogurt, telling a story. And then, because I can't control myself, I went back to chili. You know, because I didn't really know what's going on. But I do like, we have something very agreeable.
So lovely meeting Jamie. Even got to take a picture with him. That is right here. And yeah, now I'm excited to try the delicious food he just made. So good. Say a huge thank you to Landrover for having me, because this was an incredible experience. Good morning, my lovely. So today I'm going to the launch of Guess new fragrance, and I'm wearing full Guess outfit, and we're coming to this super cute pink spot. Let me show you. Wow, this is so adorable. Amazing. Everything is so cute. I can't. Love it. Just got a Guess bag. Let's see what's inside. Oh my god, this is so adorable. The perfume cookie. Obviously the perfume. So beautiful. It's inspired by the LA sunsets. which are some of the best in the world. That reminds me when I went to Intercontinental in LA, in downtown, and saw one of the best sunsets I've ever seen in my life. Then what is this? Oh wow, what a beautiful pouch. It's a pouch, it's like a clutch bag. So cute, I love the color.
Right hand left, you'll see everyone through there.
Perfect. Thank you. Guys, I had no idea this place existed. This is Petersham Nurseries, and it's such a beautiful day in London. This place is amazing. It's like Garden of Eden. Wow, it's so beautiful. This is adorable. Oh, look at this table, guys. Oh, all the flowers. It's so cute. And today, I keep saying it's such a beautiful day, but it's such a beautiful day. So these are the new oils from Nuxe that are launching today. Oh, that one looks nice. With shimmer. I like it. And I found my seat. This looks amazing. This risotto looks so good. Many people have left, so now I basically have all these desserts for myself. Yay! So back at home, what a lovely evening. Like today and yesterday were amazing. I hadn't been to Petersham, to the original Petersham Nurseries, and it was just so pretty and the food was amazing. Now I have to work a bit, so it's like midnight, but I'm gonna work I think until 2 in the morning. I have to edit pictures, do emails, work on an article, work on videos, and yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we are back for more tomorrow with more outfits. Good night. Hello my lovely. So today I am at the Chelsea Flower Show. It's the press day, so we're here before everyone comes in. It's my first time here, so I'm really excited to see what they have done. We're gonna first see the shops, then we're gonna see the gardens. This is what I'm wearing today. It's very floral. This is very light and silky. I love it. Alex Monroe floral necklace, and wearing heels, although you shouldn't really wear heels to come here, but I think I can manage. So let's do this. Very nice. It's all very British, traditional, countryside. Love all the fashion. Oh, my mom would love this. She would love it. So they're all embroidered.
Embroidered or textiles, and then I use the artwork to reproduce the greetings cards.
Oh, that's stunning. Wow. Wow. Stunning gardens. Wow. This is like Game of Thrones. The dragon even has a blue eye. How cool is this? This is the Resilience Garden. The little ballerina there. This is so cute. Greenhouse goals indeed. Then this other adorable little house. Wow.
Love it. Really upbeat feel.
So cute. Adorable and dreamy is this garden, like a tree house. Wow. Oh my god, I died and went to cactus heaven. Love this with recycled bottles. This is brilliant. I have found my tavern. The Mermaid Tavern. Look at those floral crowns. That's what I need for Tomorrowland. I need one of these. Rush. I was like, I really didn't want to miss dinner. Luckily, we just made it. This is St. Martin's Lane Kitchen at St. Martin's Lane Hotel. So I think I'm going to start with the seared scallops, then the sweet and sour snapper, and then the sticky rice with mustard. So here are the scallops and the sauce. So this is the snapper, jasmine rice, and sea bass. And the white chocolate mousse with matcha and the mango sorbet. Everything has been super yummy. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Remember to always stay positive and spread the light.